they do?
I don't know. Let's see what they do. Are they coming back?
Yes. Pig.
Oh! Where'd they go? Are they up in the tree?
Nope.
Yeah, they are. They're up in this one again.
Oh, not live.
No, it's about half of them though, right?
Yeah.
There was a big group.
Yeah.
Half of them went that way.
Some of them were half.
Mm-hmm. All right, we got to keep our eyes open. They'll move again. We'll see what they do. That was cool when they kind of flew right up over us, right?
Yeah.
I think that was my favorite part. Are they going? Are they going? Where'd they go? And back in that tree? Nope. Oh.